So for this week, you are going to sign up on Seco right here. And it takes a while. It will ask you for your registry, workforce registry, I believe, and you will get that here on the Early Care and Education Workforce. Once you have put in all of the information there and follow the directions, and just you can put in unemployed for this student. And then when it finally accepts you, you will continue to my profile. If you click that, it'll give you your workforce registry number, which will then be the last thing you need to do to sign up for this. So once this is approved, you have filled this out completely. You're going to go to MySeco dashboard. And so what you want to do is go over here to browse all modules. So the DRDP is the module that you're going to want, and you're going to go right here, DRDP 2015. You're going to click on that. And then we are not going to do the infants and toddlers one. You're going to do the preschool age children. So once you click on the preschool children, you can read that to see what you're going to learn. You're going to start module 1 right here. Once you are done with module 1, you're going to go to module 2. And then when you're done with module 2, you can go to module 3. And there are more. There are 4 and 5, I believe. But we are only going to, for right now, look at the first 3 modules. Let me know if you have any questions.